variants of biryani: mutton, chicken, veg, seekh biryani, butter chicken biryani, tandoori biryani, chicken tikka biryani, varieties of biryani, keema pulao, keema biryani, so many things are there. And lucky, it starts in the morning. We start at 9 o'clock. We serve breakfast, the best keema pound
in the town.
and keema.
Hello everyone, we are back and now we are at Lucky Restaurant. आज हम ट्राई करेंगे लकी के तीन बहुत ही फेमस डिशेस, दैट इज प्रॉन्स कोली वाला, मुर्ग मुसल्लम एंड मटन बिरयानी. तो लकी जैसा कि है, इट वाज एस्टैब्लिश्ड इन 1938 और तब से काफ़ी फेमस है. वी हैव टू ब्रांचेस ऑफ लकी, वन इन गुड़गांव एंड अनदर वन इन बांद्रा, जहाँ पे हम आज हैं. ट्राई करते हैं, बताते हैं आपको कि लकी की टेस्ट कैसा है, खाने लायक क्या क्या आइटम्स और हैं इसके, और उसके बाद हम उनके ओनर से भी मिलेंगे और मिलकर बातें करेंगे और बताएंगे इसकी बैक स्टोरी कैसे कैसे लकी आज यहाँ तक पहुँचा. फिलहाल तो बहुत तेज भूख लगी है, सो लेट्स बिगिन.
The prawns koliwada actually tasted good, guys. It was nice, crispy, and the prawns seems to be very fresh. And if you are a person who loves snacking, then this might be a very good option for you. You can also take away and have it with your dinner and something. So this was actually a nice snacks or a starter item. So must try. अप नेक्स्ट वी हैव मुर्ग मुसल्लम. तो लकी का मुर्ग मुसल्लम, इसमें दो ग्रेवीज आते हैं, एक ग्रीन और एक रेड. आप मान नहीं सकते हो, ये बहुत ही डिलीशियस था और मैं तो यही सजेस्ट करूँगा, यू गो विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली, टेक द फुल प्लेट और खाओ जितना खा सकते हो. मज़ेदार.
तो आ चुका है हमारे पास मुर्ग मुसल्लम, जो कि इनका काफ़ी फेमस डिश है. जरा इसको दिखाया जाए. यहाँ पे हमारे पास दो तरह की ग्रेवीज है. वन इज दिस ग्रेवी जो कीमा से बनती है, वन इज दिस रेड ग्रेवी. टेस्ट करते हैं ग्रेवी कैसी है. लिटिल माइल्ड, बहुत ज़्यादा स्पाइसी नहीं है. जो अपनी ग्रीन ग्रेवी है, रेड वाली ट्राई करते हैं. लजीज. I would really recommend everyone to try मुर्ग मुसल्लम of लकी रेस्टोरेंट. 4 पीसेस हैं हाफ में, 8 है फुल में. बेसिकली हाफ चिकन और फुल चिकन की बात हो गई. चिकन के पीसेस हैं वो मुझे लगता है कि तंदूर में डाले हुए और उसके बाद निकलते हैं. जस्ट लाइक डिलीशियस, so good, so good. क्या बात.
सो आफ्टर हैविंग लकीज मुर्ग मुसल्लम, अब हमारे पास एक ही चीज़ रिमेनिंग थी, दैट इज़ मटन बिरयानी. ऑफ कोर्स मुर्ग मुसल्लम वॉज वेरी टेस्टी. अब हम ट्राई करने वाले थे मटन बिरयानी, बट बिफोर दैट आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू व्हाट इज़ लकीज मटन बिरयानी फॉर द पीपल ऑफ महाराष्ट्र. तो लकी का जो मटन बिरयानी है वो आपको हल्का ग्रीसी मिलेगा, उसका फ्रेगरेंस बहुत अच्छा है. लॉन्ग बासमती राइस के साथ उसे दम लगाया जाता है. बेसिकली इनका चिकन टिक्का बिरयानी और मटन बिरयानी आर द बेस्ट पिक. यहाँ पे ओल्ड स्कूल ईरानी कैफ़े वाली वाइब है जो इसको और सूटेबल बनाती है टू हैव अ परफेक्ट बिरयानी. सो आई एम नॉट डिगिंग मोर इनटू दिस, आई जस्ट go with the biryani flow and you guys think whether you should try this or not. but from my side it is highly recommended.
तो ये है हमारी मटन बिरयानी, जो लकी की सबसे फेमस डिशेस में से एक है। तो चेक करते हैं कि क्या है इसका स्वाद, क्या है इसका जायका। ये देखिए मटन के जो पीसेस हैं इतने सॉफ्ट हैं कि क्या ही बताया जाए। जनरली आपको मटन बिरयानी ऐसी मिलती नहीं है, सॉफ्ट टेंडर पीसेस। थोड़ा सा हम लेंगे रायता। चेक करते हैं। बिरयानी को कभी भी चम्मच से ना खाएं, स्वाद वहीं रह जाता है। ये देखिए क्या बात है, बहुत बढ़िया। The meat is very tender। और राइस में भी फ्लेवर्स हैं बहुत सारे। मटन है बट वो काफ़ी अच्छे तरीके से इसको पकाया गया है। इट इज़ लवली। You should try Lucky's mutton biryani when you are in Mumbai.
So now that we know that Lucky was established since 1938 और कैसे इन्होंने माइंस के वर्कर्स से लेके आज के यूथ तक को सर्व करते आए हैं, एंड नॉट इवन यूथ, film stars, cricketers, and all the big bureaucrats of Mumbai, they are very much fond of Lucky's biryani. Not only biryani, in the coming interview with Mr. Mohsin, you will get to know कि Lucky और क्या क्या सर्व करता है, their timings, their location, and plans of establishments in other branches in other parts of the Mumbai as well. So now we'll be having an interview with Mr. Mohsin, who's the co-owner of Lucky Restaurant. He's a very active person and a very generous one. Whenever you visit Lucky, he greets you with a very nice smile, and while leaving, you have to give him a feedback that how was your food. तो अब हम सुनते हैं इनकी कहानी, इनकी ज़बानी with Mohsin sir.
Yes,
Stay
we
tuned.
have Mohsin sir with us, the co-owner of Lucky Restaurant. So this is a legacy which you guys maintain here, and we have been trying Lucky since we were very small kids, and now as a grown-up, we are here back again, and we tried most of the dishes. So can you please tell us the story of Lucky Restaurant?
This is exactly, it was started by my grandfather, you know.
Yeah.
So this was started 9th September 1938.
Okay.
Now exactly it's 87 years we have completed this. You know, the 87 years we are serving the people, the masses.
Of course.
And we serve all the masses, all the no particular communities. All are welcome, all enjoy my food, all enjoy my meals. At that time, 1938, it was a simple Irani restaurant serving brun maska, bun maskas, omelets, keema paos.
Yeah.
And you know, those days people didn't have budgets.
Yeah, budget was
Chai and all those things, and rotis and all those things. And so then, of course, the best part is he came here, he saw this place, he bought the place, and he started the show. He kept the name as Lucky because he was passing from here. He saw this place. So his friend was there, Mr. Karai, his name was.
okay.
He said, Raji Saab, you want this place? He said, don't fool. And that time it was 1938, there was no roads also. There was all this kacha roads, you know, red mud roads and all.
Yeah, yeah.
And yes, of course, I need this place. It was a car showroom first.
Yeah.
It was a car showroom. And
Okay.
those days, nobody buys cars, man.
Yeah, it was
cars,
true.
matlab, अरे छोड़ो यार.
Mm-hmm.
So then he bought the place. He started the show. Typical proper Iranian restaurant. And then my dad also joined him. Dad with his brothers. Basically, this is a family business. Dad and his brothers and sisters. Happy family, very good family. And by the grace of God, hard work pays. We're doing very well. At present, Lucky is serving the best biryani in town. And we have got no doubt variants of biryani: mutton, chicken, veg, Sikh biryani, butter chicken biryani, tandoori biryani, chicken tikka biryani, varieties of biryani, keema pulao, keema biryani, so many things are there. And Lucky, it starts in the morning. We start at 9 o'clock. We serve breakfast, the best keema pav
In the town.
and keema egg fry, scrambled eggs, keema gotala, keema with egg. You know, it's
Beja
lovely,
fry.
man. Beja fry, no, you should have the beja burji.
Beja Bhuji, yes.
Trust me, guys, you'll love the beja bhuji. It's delicious, man. एक बार खाएंगे तो you get addicted to it.
Correct, correct.
You love the beja, no doubt. And then we started the morning till night 1 o'clock. Morning breakfast, afternoon lunch, the biryani, barbecue food, North Indian gravies. We have Chinese, we have seafood.
So we can say that
Varieties.
Lucky is a one-stop solution for everything in Mumbai.
Absolutely, all
Yeah.
the meals you get over here. Then of course we do the home deliveries ourselves,
Yeah.
and then we have a total sitting capacity of around about 290 to 300 people. At one time, people can sit at Lucky's, Lucky restaurant man.
Correct, correct.
Ek time pe 290 300 people. This is because we have a huge setup. We have a huge dining hall and 4 AC sections and a huge garden section. Then we have ample parking.
Ample parking.
We have
valet
valet
parking.
parking. Valet
Yes.
parking is very important for the guests.
Correct, correct.
Nowadays people are they want parking. And of course safe parking, which is very important.
Of course.
Good biryani, less spicy, less oily, value for money.
Value for money. Of
And
course.
suits all the masses,
Yes,
particular masses.
yes.
And of course, we serve with generous. Which means we are very generous in our serving. The portion, which is
Also,
value for
sir,
money.
also what we have observed since I'm coming since a child, so what we have observed that whenever we are here, we get a very generous smile by Mohsin sir. You can find Mohsin sir.
I'm at the gate always.
Yes,
I
Mohsin,
welcome my guests,
Mohsin sir is
and
very
I take
generous.
honest feedback from them also.
Correct, correct.
While
Even after
leaving-
you, while leaving,
Of course, take a feedback. How was the food? Enjoy the meal. Enjoy the service. And at the same time, seeing me working so hard,
yes,
my
of
staff gets the motivation कि हमारा सर अगर इतना मेहनत कर सकते हम क्यों नहीं कर सकते. So this is what really counts. You should work hard.
completely, sir, completely.
Hard work really pays. Because my grandfather who taught us, these 3 H alphabets: honesty, hard work, and humbleness.
Okay. Honesty, hard work, and
And
humbleness.
humbleness. And of course, with hard work, you need smart work also.
Correct.
Smart work is important. Hard work के साथ smart work. So honesty is very important. Hard work and humble. आप humble हो, देखो आप लोगों के दिल जीत जाएंगे.
Correct.
Very important to be humble.
Yes, sir. We have seen that outside many Bollywood stars and celebrities have left their reviews. over there.
Absolutely. The
So
signatures are there, the reviews are there.
yes,
And so many more. But at that time it didn't strike me,
yeah,
to take the signatures and everything.
yes,
Like Sanjay Dutt, the film stars, the politicians, cricketers, my God, so many of them.
you have repeated orders from them time to time.
Absolutely at home
Yeah,
and at the offices.
correct.
And they're very happy with the food. They love my food, so that's why they keep ordering. Whenever guests at home, they always Lucky biryani is always served on the tables. And we have the lovely mutton chops. Now we have started mutton chops. आप एक बार खाएंगे ना वो आप फैन हो जाएंगे mutton chop.
Mutton chops.
Delicious, man.
Do try, guys, mutton chops.
Yes, of course.
So
And we have got sweets, like caramel custard in desserts. And we have got fillings, Arabian puddings. And now we have started a new thing. It's called apricot delight. Oh my God,
Okay.
that's the best, man. That's the best. You try करो एक बार खा लो देखो आप fan हो जाएंगे.
sure, sir, we'll definitely try that.
Please, please.
And also, sir, there are 2 outlets for Lucky.
Lucky has 2 branches. Yes,
One is in Goregaon,
one is in Goregaon, one is in Bandra.
one is in Bandra. So,
restaurant.
what are the future plans? Can we have an
Sir,
expansion of Lucky, please?
I will not go for an extension or
Okay.
expansion because you have to personally pay attention to a restaurant service.
Definitely.
It doesn't make sense. And I personally pay attention.
Definitely, sir. We have seen
It's a
that.
major difference, man. आपके पास 5 branches होंगे and you cannot attend those places. What sense does it make?
Definitely, definitely.
At the same time, if you have a property, you're doing a business, it should be your own property. If you lease a property for a restaurant, trust me, you won't survive. But of course, at the same time, you a good team, your staff, you take care of your staff,
Everything.
and they take care of you. It's like vice versa. Same way.
Correct, definitely.
And that's it.
That's it. So it was very nice talking to Mohsin, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for
Thank you,
giving
brother.
your time.
Thank you for coming.
And,
And
Yes, we will.
Anytime, please, you're welcome. Come
Everyone.
for breakfast one day. You go crazy for the breakfast.
Definitely, sir. Next Sunday we'll be here.
Do
for
call me up
breakfast.
and please
Yes,
come, sir.
of course, sir. Of course.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
God bless you.
Thank you.
सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियोज़. आपने पिछले वीडियो पे भी हमें बहुत सारा प्यार दिया. अपकमिंग डेज विल बी हैविंग मोर फन वीडियोज़, मोर रेस्टोरेंट्स अक्रॉस महाराष्ट्र. एंड डू लाइक, कॉमेंट, सब्सक्राइब द चैनल. थैंक यू.